Hi, my name is Julio Rivera. I'm an activist, journalist, adventurer, veteran, television presenter, and businessman. I've covered many of the major historical events going on around the world over the past several years, and after watching regime changes, conflict, and historic elections globally, I've come to the conclusion that the most underreported crisis in the world today can be defined in only one word: malware. That's why I've decided to dedicate my time to educating people everywhere and exposing the dangers that exist on the devices that we've become tethered to and depend on for so many reasons in our day-to-day life. Welcome to This Week in Malware. On This Week in Malware, we'll be covering Re-captha-version-3.58.top is a browser hijacker known for its stealthy distribution methods. If you see notifications stating browser is infected on your computer, you likely have a browser hijacker installed. And MegaUnit will damage your computer is a warning associated with Adware. In the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats, the Re-captha-version-3.58.top browser hijacker has emerged as a stealthy annoyance, infiltrating systems through questionable means and disrupting the browsing experience. Understanding Re-captha-version-3.58.top. Re-captha-version-3.58.top employs questionable distribution tactics, often bundling with other software or masquerading as a legitimate app. Once installed, it exhibits annoying behavior by altering your browser settings, redirecting to specific websites, and inundating you with incessant pop-ups. Beyond its primary goal of monetizing through advertising, this type of browser hijacker may inadvertently expose systems to other threats. While referred to as the Re-captha-version-3.58.top virus by users, it's not a virus, and it's not designed to harm or replicate within the system. Although not explicitly harmful, its actions can indirectly facilitate encounters with other forms of undesirable software. How do I remove Re-captha-version-3.58.top from my system? Identify suspicious apps. Review the list of installed programs for any unfamiliar or suspicious apps. Uninstall Re-captha-version-3.58.top. Drag the suspicious application to the trash icon. Check system preferences. Inspect system preferences for any changes and revert to default settings if necessary. Remove browser extensions. Open each browser and navigate to the Extensions or Add-ons menu. Remove the extensions related to Re-captha-version-3.58.top. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing cache and cookies can help eliminate traces of Re-captha-version-3.58.top. Reset browser settings. Go to browser settings and restore the default settings and eliminate unwanted changes. By understanding Re-captha-version-3.58.top's actions, risks, and promptly removing this hijacker, users can safeguard their system against browser hijackers and potentially unwanted programs. Adopting best practices for prevention is crucial to maintaining a secure and undisturbed digital experience. In the realm of cyber threats targeting both macOS and Windows users, the browser is infected adware emerges as a browser hijacking program that subtly infiltrates and takes control of the key browser settings. Designed to integrate seamlessly with browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Firefox, this hijacker disrupts the user experience by introducing undesirable changes like new default search engine, customized homepage, and additional toolbars. The consequential barrage of pop-ups, banners, and ads further interferes with daily browsing activities. Browser is infected explained. The browser is infected adware targets computers aiming to manipulate browser settings and generate revenue. This adware employs popular pay-per-click business models, inundating users with pop-ups and banners, strategically placed to compelled clicks. Although not classified as malware, browser hijackers fall under the category of pups. due to the risk associated with page redirects and exposure to potentially harmful content. The developers of Browser is Infected commonly utilize software bundling for distribution. Vigilance during the installation process can help users avoid unwanted software. How to remove Browser is Infected. Identify suspicious applications. Open the Applications folder and review the list of installed programs for any unfamiliar or suspicious apps. Drag any suspicious applications to the trash icon. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing cache and cookies can help eliminate traces of Browser is Infected. Remove browser extensions. Open each browser and navigate to the Extensions or Add-ons menu. Delete any extensions related to Browser is Infected. Reset browser settings. Go to Browser Settings and reset to default. Check Systems Preferences. Inspect any system preferences for changes and revert to default. Browser is Infected underscores the importance of user vigilance in the face of evolving cyber threats. By understanding its actions, consequences, and properly removing the hijacker, users can secure their systems from the disruptions caused by such pups. Adopting best practices for prevention is crucial to maintaining a secure and uninterrupted digital experience. MegaUnit has emerged as an advertising app in the form of a browser extension for Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. You may also come across the application under the names of MegaUnit Field or MegaUnit. This seemingly harmless adware collects users' browsing data with the aim of displaying more targeted ads. MegaUnit Decoded. MegaUnit's primary objective is to gather users' preferences by collecting browsing data, enabling the presentation of more appealing ads. However, certain aspects of MegaUnit make it potentially unwanted, leading users to seek its removal. Notably, the app alters browser settings, establishes a new homepage, toolbar buttons, and a search engine service, facilitating page redirects and intrusive advertisements. MegaUnit is adware due to its aggressive ad behavior. Detection names for this type of threat may include terms like adware, browser hijacker, or pup. Identifying these terms in security alerts or scans can signal the presence of it on your system. How to remove MegaUnit. Identify suspicious apps. Navigate to the Applications folder and review the list of programs for unfamiliar or suspicious apps. Uninstall MegaUnit. Drag all suspicious apps to the trash icon. Remove browser extensions. Open each browser and navigate to the Extensions or Add-ons menu. Disable any extensions related to MegaUnit. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Clearing the cache and cookies helps eliminate all traces of MegaUnit. Reset browser settings. Access browser settings and reset to default. Check systems preferences. Inspect system preferences for any changes and revert to default if necessary. MegaUnit underscores the importance of vigilance and proactive measures in safeguarding Mac devices against adware. Understanding its actions, consequences, and properly removing the unwanted application are crucial steps in maintaining a secure and uninterrupted browsing experience. By adopting best practices for prevention, users can navigate the evolving landscape of cyber threats with enhanced resilience.
You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today.
Thanks for watching.